Hello guys, Clickbank here, back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can 10x your investment. So for example, for this method I have invested $50 and I have made $507 back. So what is the best thing about this method is that you're going to collect leads, long-term leads. So you're going to collect a list of people that are interested in this program that you are promoting or offer, and you can in the future promote them even more offers and earn commissions for free. So I'm going to show you how to do this in today's video. As you can see, I started this method I think on October or November 1st, I think November 1st, and I have made on November 2nd almost $300, and on November 3rd almost $100, and on November 4th $73. And as you can see, on November 5th and 6th my campaign was paused for some reasons, but I'm going to start it again as soon as possible and invest even more money and earn even more commissions. So if you are interested in videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm releasing videos like this every day. So guys, for this method you need to sign up for ClickFunnels. Link would be in description. You can sign up for 14 days trial to try this amazing tool, and I'm going to show you how it works. So for ClickFunnels you don't need any coding skills, and I'm going to show you how to do this. When you sign up and log in to ClickFunnels, you're going to see a page like this, and you're going to click on Funnels and Build Funnel. So it is pretty simple to use. And you can find here membership funnel, something, but we are going to need to create classic funnel. So what we need is to sell your product and create a sales funnel. And we are going to name it, let's say, opt-in test. We are going to click on Build Funnel. And you can see here a ton of templates of the funnels that look pretty amazing. You can create even a video funnel, and you can talk about product here, but the funnel that works the best for me, just a second, the funnel that works the best for me is this one. So this one or this one. So they're pretty simple funnels. You write here what are they going to get if they sign up, and they can enter their name and enter their best email here. So, and when they click on get access, you're going to capture their email address, and you can promote other products to them later and earn more commissions. So let's say we are going to try this funnel. I'm using this one. So just wait a second. We are going to click on Edit Page. So as you can see, you can change everything you want with just one click. So we are going to delete this and also this one. And here you can add elements. You can just with a one click, I'm going to show you, you can add some YouTube video here, let's say. So it looks pretty amazing, but we don't need that for now. We are going just to create a text funnel. And here, now we are going to search for product to promote. So we are going to go for some popular ones. For example, we are going to promote 2-week diet, and we are going to click on affiliate tools. So we need affiliate tools for this one. Just a second. Yes. And we are going to find, let's say, email swipes. So we are going to take subject line, for example, this one. So we are going to take this, and we are going to write here something like enter email for our guide. I'm just giving an example here. So we are going to click on get instant access. You can see you can change font here. You can change color, but we don't need that. You can change theme of the button. We don't also need that. And you can change the size of the button, but we are going to just set action. So you can create a pop-up. So when someone clicks on your get instant access button, you're going to create a pop-up for your affiliate offer, but we are going to just go to URL. And now we are going to click on promote. You're going to enter your affiliate ID and get affiliate ID, but for now we are going just to direct link to show you how it works. So we are going to enter our website, and we can open in the same window or open in a new tab, but for now we are going to open in the same window. We are going to click on back, and our action is set. So we are going to click on save, and we have finished our opt-in. So this is really important, and it is our landing page and opt-in. So when they sign up with their best affiliate, best email, you can contact them later if they don't buy your product now, or you can contact them even with other products related to weight loss. So they are going to buy them from you, and you're going to earn a lot of endless commissions from this method. So we are going to click on preview how it looks like, and you can enter your name just to try it. You can enter your email, and when you click on get instant access, you're going to get direct link to affiliate offer. So it is pretty simple.
Okay, wait.
It is pretty simple, and you can add here your brand name. We don't need that for now. You can also design, but you don't have to go crazy with your opt-in. It needs to be just simple, straight to the point. So we can call this finished opt-in. So it only took us around, let's say, 5 minutes to create an opt-in for this method. And now, how are we going to get traffic to our opt-in? I'm going to show you. So guys, now we need traffic to our opt-in. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You can sign up for solo ads that you know to use, but for example, I'm using buy and sell ads. So you can sign up for this one, but if you want others, you are free. You can also do this with other solo ads. So for example, now we need to promote our offer. So we are going to click on marketplace, and you're going to search for a category that you need to promote. So we are promoting a weight loss product, so that would be health and fitness. And you can see here some websites that has, for example, this one website has 15 million impressions per month. So we are going to search for all the websites and find in which one you are interested in. You can, for example, click on this one and click on the link of the website. So you can check if you are interested in this website. And for example, you are interested in this one, so you're going to search for prices now. So CPM means cost per thousand views. So for 1,000 impressions, it is going to cost you $8. So for example, we are going to promote on front page medium rectangle, so that is going to cost us $8 per 1,000 impressions. So we are going to click on add to cart, and you're going to click on your cart. So we don't need, for example, 60,000 impressions. We are going to only get 25,000 impressions, and that is going to cost us $200. And now you need to upload your content. So you can find our banners on affiliate tools, for example, this product, and we need 300 times 250. So this would be our banner, and we are going to copy this banner and add here. You are going to put a link of our funnel. So you're going to put a link here, and you can add here additional text, but you don't need it, and you're just going to press save, and you are already there. So this is really a simple method to get started. As I told you, I made with a $50 investment, I have made $500. I'm not saying you're going to see same results. You may lose your investment or even break even with this method, but I'm not sure. It depends on you, but for me it really worked. So thank you guys for watching. If you are interested in these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm releasing a content every day, and bye.